I just purchased this monitor stand, and it also comes with a phone holder and storage below too. Perfect. And it's also adjustable 3 heights. That's exactly what I need for my laptop. Now, this is what the box looks like, and in this video, I'm going to show you how to assemble it. So let's open up the box. Right here is the directions. Now let's remove all the products. So all you're going to do is open up all the products. This is going to be for the phone, as well as the sliders for the storage. Here are the legs. You're going to be receiving 4 legs, and they're also adjustable too. Here is the shelf, and look how nice it is. It has stars, and it also has a pen holder area too. And now we are ready to begin assembly. The nice thing about these, it says left and right, L and R, as well as on the plate as well. It says L on this side and R on this side. So this is the plate, and these are the 4 legs. It also has screws right here on all 4 corners. And what it says is to attach, and you're going to attach it through these holes. So L for left, we're going to put that right here. And then R for right, we're going to put that right here. This is so easy. This is going to take less than a minute to assemble. And now you're going to put the threaded legs on all 4 corners. How easy is that? No tools are required. Now, the nice thing about these mesh holes are to allow airflow, which is very important so my laptop doesn't overheat. Now that we have that assembled, we are going to add our drawer. That is going to be like this, upside down. And ta-da! We finished it. How simple was that? And here is the drawer. You're able to pull it out, and then it stops as well. Perfect. And right here, you have an area to attach your phone. Now, the really nice thing about this is there's also a cord right here, so you could attach your phone charger as well. So let's try this out. And there you go. How perfect is that? And this drawer is large enough to put 8 by 11.5-inch paper. Also great to put your pen in there, maybe your mouse when not in use, and then you can just close it up. You also have an area on both sides depending on how you want your phone to be put on. Perfect. Definitely recommend it. And this is also heavy duty. This will hold up to 44 pounds. Now, you can use this for not only your laptop, but also a printer, your computer, and also as a monitor stand too. It's very ideal. And another nice feature is this is adjustable, so you're able to raise it up as well. And all you do is push the button in, and then you pull it. Just like that, and then it locks into place. So this is what it looks like in the second position, and we can also raise it to 1 more set. And this is in the highest position. How perfect is that? Let me show you a close-up of what it looks like. Here's a close-up of what it looks like. Also the adjustable feet. All you have to do is push on the button and it adjusts to 3 heights. Here is the pen holder, and this is the drawer pull. Beautiful. Isn't this a fantastic monitor stand? Perfect for everyday use. Definitely recommend it. Thank you so much for watching, and hope you found this video helpful.